Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Motorola Android smartphone. And if your Motorola Android smartphone of any series has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, then after hard reset and factory data reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get language option, vision settings, and emergency call and start button. So let's check after the hard reset of the Moto phones what happened to your handset. So simply you have to tap on this start button, and here you will get two options, Android device and iPhone. So simply you have to tap on this skip option and go to the next page here. One more thing I'd like to tell you, my friend, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. Then after, you have to tap on this accept and continue. So here you can see after the factory data and hard reset, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock. So but here you can see you will get another option that is showing here use my Google account instead. Simply you will have to tap on this option, and when you will tap on this option you will switch to this page here. It will ask your Gmail ID and password or phone number what you had applied your Moto phone at the starting of the handset. Okay, so if you have Gmail ID and password, then you can easily feed your Gmail ID and password and go to the next option. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, so you can see here you're not getting any escape option in this page. So today I am going to tell you how you will get a skip option in this page. This lock is known as generally FRP lock, which is generated by Google to secure your smartphone. That's when you install it, no one can unlock your smartphone, and this lock is known as FRP lock. So in this video I will give you some tips and tricks by which you can bypass your FRP lock of your Moto handset. So simply you will have to reach to the starting page here. You can see here this is the starting page. First of all you will have to change the language. Okay, so firstly you will have to change the language and you have to select the English US. Okay, now after that you have to tap on this next option and you will have to tap on this emergency. When you will tap on this emergency option here, you will have to dial a USSD code, which is very necessary to bypass your FRP of your Moto handset. That the new FRP new FRP bypass USSD is star has 0160 star triple two star hash. When you will tap this USSD code, simply you have to use this USSD code by the call, and that will automatically delete and go to the back option. Okay, now all the things has been done. After that, simply you have to go to the option that will show here. Okay, now here you will get four options. The first is showing here display size and text, the second one is magnifying, and the fourth one is talkback. So when you will tap on this talkback option, here you will get a such type of display, and you can see here that is use talkback option is showing here across. So right now you don't have to do anything here. Simply first of all you have to go to the back, and again you have to go to the back, and you have to tap on this start option. Okay, now from here you have to tap on this skip option here. Now here you will have to make some changes. First of all you have to go to the option that will show here Motorola privacy policy. Okay, when you will come on this page, here you will get a lot of text on your phone display, but here you will have to go to the option that will show here how I contact my Lenovo and Motorola's privacy program, and here you will get a link that is motorola.com and support. You have to tap on this link. Maybe it takes some times. So here you can see this page has been opened. Maybe sometime this page don't open, so don't worry at all. You will have to reconnect your Wi-Fi to open this page, because it's most important to open this page. Okay, so you have to go to the option that will show here software and apps. Now after that you will get a lots of options like Moto AI software fix and a smart connect, a family space. These type of things you will get on your phone display, so don't worry at all. Here you will have to tap on this option that will show here software fix. Okay, when you will tap on this software fix option here, you will get some ads, so don't worry at all, cross that these ads, and you have to come on the option that will show here. Just a minute, you have to come to the option software fix. Okay, now come on this, and you have to tap on this repair, and you have to come to the option that will repair options. Okay, now you will have to come on this page, you will switch to this page, and here you will get three options that will show here: software issues, hardware issues, and physical or liquid damage. So you know that your phone is due to software issues, so simply you have to tap on this software issues problem. Okay, now after that you have to tap on this troubleshooting of the software fix tool. You have to tap on this one. Okay, now when you will come on this page, here you have to check that it will show you some the step you have to do this, install and PC, and it's showing that you will have to connect your PC. So don't worry at all, you don't have to do anything or connect with your PC. Simply you have to tap on this download. Okay, and and change the location. Actually I had already changed the US, so now here you have to change the location from US to India. Okay, now all the things has been done. Simply you have to tap on this done option. You will redirect to the previous page. Okay, you can see here. So these was the some settings you have to do with your phones. Now after that you have to tap on this accept and continue here. Okay, now here you will have to tap on this use my Google account instead. Now you have to tap on this one, and here you're not getting any option, so don't worry at all. Here you will have to go to the option, that is you have to again go to the back. No, because you don't have remember your Gmail ID and password, so don't worry, you have to go to the back option and go to the back here, and now tap on this add network option, and here you have to do these things, that is you have to change the IP settings here, and you have to change it the statics because it's mandatory to bypass your FRP here. And here you have to dial, that is 888 dot dot 22.000, and you have to repeat the same as it is. Okay, 888 dot 22.000, and all the things is showing you have to repeat the same as it is, that is 8.8.8.8, and here you will have to repeat the same as it is, .4.4. okay, now here you will have to select the set the device on error. You have to select this one, and use randoms MAC, use device MAC. No, you don't have to change these options. Okay, now you have to choose this none. Okay, it's okay. Hidden, no, you have to show this. Okay, you don't have to keep it hidden, and done. Okay, now after that go to the back option. Here all the things has been done. Now after that simply you have to tap on this skip option, go to the more, accept and continue. So now you can see here you're getting here a skip option. It means your phone has been completely FRP bypassed. That's why you are getting here a skip option. Now you don't need to remember your Gmail ID and password to bypass your FRP lock of your Motorola phones. So use this video to bypass your FRP lock of your Moto handset of any series. So simply now you can easily skip this page from here. Now after that it's a simple setup of your phone, so you can do with your own. Skip from here, go to the more and accept. Now go to the OK. Now you can see here getting your phone ready. It may takes few minutes, so you will have to wait here. Not now. It's a simple setup, my friend, so you will have to do all the things here and finish. Now after that, go to the home screen. So here you can see your Moto phone has been completely FRP bypassed, and after factory data reset, what the pattern was again asking has been removed. So your Moto phone has been completely pin pattern and password removed, and FRP bypassed has been completely done with your phone. So if this video helped you to bypass your FRP lock of your Moto phone, so do this, like this video, and if you got any issues in your Moto phones to bypass your FRP log, then make us comment. Our team will definitely respond on your comments. So thank you so much.